This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Ford Territory, stock number 7064. It's run from the 3rd 2011 to the 12th 2016. There's a 276 DT 2.7 litre 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 276 DT 2.7 litre 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guards no dents. Left front and left rear door no dents. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satellite stereo, front kiddies lock, sunglass holder, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.